Hi, I'd like to show you something really fun we have here at Nitpicks. This is our portable magnifying lamp, and there's a lot of great features about it, but the first one is that it just folds down nice and small, fits in your project bag or your purse. I use it at home just on my end table as I'm knitting at the couch, so I don't have a big, huge lamp that takes up a lot of space. It's LED lighting, and one of the best features is this magnifying lamp, and this gives us 3 times magnification so that we can look at our slipped stitches, we can pick up stitches, or just examine our work a little bit closer. So if you're looking for a new lamp for your projects or even for travel, why don't you try our portable magnifying lamp?